हमें कहीं इसमें कोई हवा वगैरह तो नहीं भरवाई?
नेचुरल।
Hot take, but I personally feel that Ishaan Thakur is natural, and let me explain why. This is Deon De Silva, the natty behemoth with insane work ethic and top-tier genetics. This is a goddamn photo that marks his initial potential. He clearly has been working out at least a couple of years prior to this. October 2nd, 2016 it is, and he is clearly built. Now this another snap taken on March 13, 2017. The final nail in the coffin. Tan, dry epitome of peak natty bodybuilding. A glimpse on August 25th, 2025. This lad has been training well over a decade, around 13 years. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section below. There are no signs of insane muscle gains, back knee, creepy gynecomastia, impotency, and the trend look is non-existent. Deon is definitely natty, and let's move on to Ishaan Thakur, a lad that gets record-breaking accusations for fake nattiness. October 2019, the lad has been clearly working out since the past 2 to 3 years. Genetic potential clearly evident, not the best muscle insertions, but definitely has the natural lean look, probably inherited. June 11, 2023, a physique that's impossible for most dudes even on androgenic anabolic steroids. But Ishaan Thakur has achieved this thanks to eat clean, train hard, and never give up. If you have a similar thought process, folks, we are literally cooked for real. The Thakur lad has great genetics for bodybuilding, wider clavicles, narrow waist, and the thick back too. Just because one has flatter bicep peaks, it does not mean that he has trash genetics for bodybuilding. These snaps are taken on around August to September 2025. So I personally feel that Ishaan Thakur is on clean, test and trend, gulping down D-ball pills and injecting Termin pre.
Sorry, मैं मजाक कर रहा था. Sorry.
I feel guilty for thinking that Ishaan Thakur is a fake natty. I personally feel that Ishaan Thakur is 100% natural. It's because he did not blow up like a freaking balloon and shrink down like Paul Dillon. Giving the benefit of the doubt, Ishaan Thakur is natty, or maybe there is a freaking slight chance that he is juicing from day freaking one. So it's left to the freaking audience to decide whether Ishaan Thakur is natty or not. But keep this in freaking mind to have at least 10 years of lifting prowess before you judged Ishaan Thakur or any other fake natty. I hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out.
He's a 10, but he takes steroids.
I'd say probably like a 5, honestly.
What would you rate me, Brianna, out of 10?
Well, do you take steroids?
I take steroids, yeah.
Okay, I mean, you look natural.
देखिए, एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का, दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए. 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए. ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ. पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा. ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए. यहाँ पे देखिए, ऐसा क्वेश्चन चुटकी बजाते